The not exist operator is inverse of exist. Let's look at an example to understand more about it. Suppose you work as a data analyst in an e-commerce company. You are provided with two tables, customer info and order info. The customer info has columns such as customer ID, customer first and last name, age and city. In the order info, there are information about order ID, customer ID and their first name. Now, you are given a task to find out the customer who did not order anything by just looking at the tables. You can observe that Ram Mohan, having customer ID 5 and age 25, who is from Bangalore, has not ordered anything. This is the SQL query to get the output. What it says is select star means select all the columns from customer info where not exist, where this value doesn't exist. What value? Select star from order info where order info dot customer ID is equals to customer info dot customer ID. If that row doesn't exist, then only this situation would be true and give me the output. That's what this query says. So the subquery selects all rows from the order info first of all, where the customer ID matches between both the tables, that is customer info and the order info table. If the condition is true, then not exist will return the customer info except the ones which are both present in order info and the customer info. That means we will get the customers who have not ordered anything. Let's dive into Metabase to see this thing. Okay. So first of all, as usual, we will have a look at our tables, that is customer info and order info. And order info table. So let's select. Let's execute this. And we are able to see the output. There are 5 columns, customer ID, first name, last name, age and city. So we can see there are 5 different customers from 1 to 5. Like 5 is Ram Mohan, age 25, from city Bangalore. Similarly, we can see for order info table also. So select star from order underscore info. Let's execute this. And we got 3 columns and 4 rows. It is having order ID, customer ID and first name of the customer. Great. So now what we want to find out is, let's write that. So what we want to do is, our problem is find out the customers, they did not order anything, right? This is what we want to do, did not order anything. So let's proceed over here. How to achieve it through the query? Let's execute this. We got 1 customer. So that customer where not exist. First of all, we got all the customers which were matching. If whichever is not matching over here, in this subquery, this subquery will return you 4 customers from 1 to 4 who have ordered, because their customer ID will only match between the 2 tables. So once we get that output, and the only row which is left is customer ID 5, name Ram Mohan, from city Bangalore, age 25. So that person is not present in this output. That's why that is not existing and that value is coming as your output. Right? Great. So now let's summarize what we have learned on not exist. So the not exist operator is inverse of exist. Not exist operator in SQL is a powerful tool for filtering out rows that do not have a corresponding value in a related table. This is a basic syntax for not exist. Select column 1 from table 2 where condition, you will get a subquery, okay, is a subquery that selects column 1 from table 2 where certain condition is met. The not exist condition is used to find rows in one table that do not have a corresponding row in another table. In other words, it returns all the rows from table 1 where there is no matching row in table 2. So to summarize in this video, we have learned how not exist can be leveraged for a specific data collection. So see you in the next video.